Tweetie here. We've got playlists down below, and the description box has a lot of links. Right now we're talking about attitudes, and we're going to deal with those that are emotionally upset or disturbed. And every single person is different. So what you need to do is hone your skills in this area, because your approach to another person determines how they are going to play off of you. And so, or you can see others that are needing your help to step in to smooth the situation down. Try to be, first, sensitive. Think about it as your job to give a person a security blanket. I'm not asking you to enable them or to give them a crutch, but instead give them the sensitivity to their needs. Let them know that it's okay to be upset. Now, second, be informed. Study and observe different people, if you will, that get upset regularly. And where you can, apply the act of understanding. You never know what's going on until you start watching and learning. Number 3, be proactive. Knowing the triggers that may set off a person may help prevent them in the future if you're going to be around them often. Be a team player. Consult with their friends and families or coworkers to ensure that everyone is on the same page. Be an advocate. Let them know that it's okay, and you encourage them to express themselves and try to help them talk through things so that it's not so violent or loud. Understandably, there are things that are going to happen. I'm sure you have dealt with people before who are upset. I have. I get upset often. Many people do. How do you personally share what you do with others? If you can, please post it below. And we thank you for listening to this. If it has helped you at all, give us a thumbs up. If you want more tips, please subscribe. And we'll say bye for now. Angels all around.